Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Align Master tempered glass for your Samsung Galaxy A30, A50, A30S, A50S and so on that are all 6.3-inch displays. So this is a Spigen original material that comes with the Align Master. As you can see, this is the Align Master and this is the glass. So it is a basically very easy process to install your tempered glass at home without needing of any professional help. So it is silicone full adhesive, like the whole display will be getting the full protection and the whole display will adhere with the adhesive. Like as you can see, I have used some other tempered glass here. It is a very cheap one, as you can see here, and this comes in only 600-700 rupees, but here you can see it is mentioned like 2500 rupees, but you will get it in a good deal if you buy it from Amazon India. And it has got very delicate touch. So basically in this cheap tempered glasses, what happens, your touch response is goes out very less, like you have to tap a lot of times, but here it will work just like you are not using any tempered glass. And it has got oleophobic coating, so it will also not get a lot of fingerprint on the display. And it is the real glass, it's mentioned real glass, and also it is 9H hardness protection. So why wait, my friends, let's open this up and check it out what we get inside. So as you can see, the box is totally sealed here. We have to tear here, I suppose. Yes, we have to tear here. There are two seals here. So it is done, and it opens in this way. So in the box we get the usual things for this installation process, I think. Let's see, this is the tempered glass that is inside this covering. Yes, this is the tempered glass, as you can see here, it is mentioned here. This is the tempered glass. So we will keep it very safely inside here because no dust should go under this display. We'll keep this aside. Then we get some installation instructions here. So how to align, how to clean, and how to place the tempered glass, and how to use everything. We'll keep this aside. And last but not the least, the cleaning materials and the accessories that are used for this process. So today, my friends, I will also show you how to install this tempered glass on Samsung Galaxy A50. And let me repeat one more time, you can use this same tempered glass also on your Samsung Galaxy A30, A30S, A50, A50S. So all the phones are the same process. So let me start this up. So as always, first we have to clean the display. As you can see here, I have already removed the old tempered glass that I was using on this phone. So I have removed that. Make sure to use a soft surface so that you don't scratch your back. Just keep it on top of it, like this. Now we will open this up. Check what we get inside here. This is a squeezy to squeeze out all the bubbles when you have while installing the display. And this is the cleaning wipe that we get here. This is the cleaning cloth, and this is the dust removal sticker, and this is how we have to squeeze out all the bubbles if it is formed. Okay, and if you scan this QR code, you will also get the video on YouTube how to remove the bubbles. Thank you, Spigen. So why wait? Let's clean this surface up. So you should take care about good watch for any dust particles here. It's better I should do all the process again and again, because it is good for the installation process and all. So first of all, we will use this cleaning wipe. It is alcohol wipe. So as you can see here, give it a good clean here. So if you want to reuse it during this process, just keep it inside this pouch so that it won't get vaporized, because alcohol vaporizes very fast. So as you can see here, the glass is totally clean now. So we will go to the next step. We'll clean with this dust removal sticker here. We will take this big one. Just wait a minute. Yes. So use this sticker to remove all the dust particles that is left here. Do remember, while doing these all process, do clean your hands. Don't use any fan or AC in that room while you're doing this, because any of the dust particle may go inside the display if any air is moving inside the room. Okay, so let's check this out. It is totally clean now. So the next step is you have to install this on top of here. So be very careful about this process. So first on the top, then on the below. You have to hold the phone really firmly and push it down. It is done. As you can see, the phone is totally fixed here. Be very careful about it. Okay, so give it a look again if there is any dust particles here. There is none. So settle it down. Now very carefully we will remove this tempered glass out of its protective layer. Before that, give another look. Before, if you have any dust particle below here, then you won't be able to recover it again. So while removing, do always keep this face down, because none dust particles should go inside here. Okay, so it is done. I will give another look here. So no dust particles here. So now we will keep this glass on top of here like this. Be very gentle to it. Okay, so it aligns automatically, as you can see here. So it is aligned now, perfectly aligned. Then when you get this, it is aligned perfectly, then just you need to do is press here and slide it down. And the glass gets automatically adhered, as you can see here. Give it a few minutes, just a few seconds maybe, and then you can push if you're feeling that there is any bubbles inside here. Then very carefully remove the phone and use this squeezy to squeeze out if any of the bubbles are there. So as you can see, there is a bubble here, there's a bubble here. So we will use this squeezy to squeeze out any bubbles left over here. So it is a very simple and easy process as compared to the other processes. I find it very easy because Spigen has given a good thing. The Easy Align Master is a very good thing. Also, I have made a video for iPhone. If you have checked out on my channel, that is also a very good thing. iPhone is really easy than this one. I think in this process we are taking a lot of time to do this, but so it is always from inside to out. You can remove the sticker now. Be very gentle about it. Now use this squeezy. Push it from in to out. So as you can see, it is installed now. There is one small bubble here, but it will go away very soon because I haven't pressed it in a very good way. And if there is some dust particles inside here, they might cause the bubbles too. So as you can see, the bubble has gone. There is no bubble here. Now I will switch on the phone. I will show you how it looks. In the meantime, let me show you. It also works with this case. So we will put this case. Let me clean this back using this soft cloth here. And if you want a good clean, then you can also use this alcohol wipe. It doesn't affect the color, don't worry. So after a good clean, we will put this inside here. Also, I will clean this one because I had kept this somewhere. So as you can see, it works with this case perfectly and the tempered glass doesn't move up or down. So the phone is on. Now you can see the clear thing and the touch response is really nice. So as you can see, the touch response is really nice. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was a video for you, the Align Master for Samsung Galaxy A50, and feel free to ask in the comment section below if you have any doubts about this product, and buy it from Amazon.in. You will get a very good deal on this product. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. Bye bye.